Okay, we're gonna play, si Mama nandyan na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. We're gonna play, bye-bye. Bye. Our new teammate has gone now. Alright, so we're gonna play, try not to laugh. Look at my eyes. Okay, let me try it. On me. Okay. Did it work? It only works on me. Oh god. Okay, so we're gonna play try not to laugh. You're gonna make me laugh. Alright? Okay. She's gonna make me laugh. Try to make me laugh. So yeah. Okay, let's go. You make me laugh. Go. She laughed herself. Okay, so go. Ew, that's Please?
What are you doing? Not to do that.
I don't know what to do. Oh, let's play creepy stories. You do it first. Go.
The only creepy thing in my memory is
No, a creepy story.
at 10 I was at the playground and I saw Squinwalker pretending to be
She was pretending to be I don't know a person. Okay. My bag. Okay, so when me and my grandma went out last night, me and my grandma went last night to buy something. Then my dada said when we were home now, said I heard banging sounds at the top. But my lolo was living there, but she was dead 4 years ago.
I also had a grandma
He do some knocking sounds like
knocking sounds.
and he was Kaya, shut up! You have to do it if it's necessary. Alright. So yeah. Your turn. Oh, actually I have the gun. Okay, so so with me I have a dream. Wait, count it. So I had a dream when I was like 5 or 6. So and then I had a dream, and it was like I was in the house, but I got like locked. There's like you need to find a key, and I was like you need to.
That's just like a game.
It's like you just need to find the key. When I find the key, I unlocked the door. Then I saw a dead body and a dead dog, and then a dead cat. When I got to the toilet, when I get to the tub in the bathroom, so I saw blood everywhere, and I saw dead people in the restroom, and then I was like screaming and that, and there's no exit. The house, wow, my hair.
tried to eat me.
No, it was not me. It was like the big guy. Okay, that was not me.
Kind of tricky.
So like you now this is other creepy story from me. When I was like
Where's Lisa?